Hi guys, Thrifty here. Got a new padlock today for the post. Heavy duty, armour plated, square padlock. There's the keys. It's 6 pin. Just counting the grooves here, the valleys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pin. Right. Here's the lock, drill, pin tumbler. The key in, turn. I like that action, it's really nice. Lock it up, get the key out. Right, I'm going to pick it. So there we go, get the tension wrench to the bottom. First of all, I'm going to start off sawtooth rake from a Southford 22-piece pick set, bought from UK Bump Keys. Comes in a very fetching leather case. Smells nice. Get back to the job. Right, here we go, raking it. Oh. A little bit of pressure. Hopefully it'll go in a sec. I'm not going to use a single pick, I just want to just show that it's possible picking with just a rake. Can you see? Put it against my body, get some more weight. There we go. Oh. There we go, but opened up. That was just raking that. So it's possible to open some locks with just raking. You've got the patience. Lock it back up. You've got to make sure you've got the rake. Right, next I'll do snap gun. Brockard's lifetime guarantee. Warranty, sorry, from ukbumpkeys.com, yet again. Stick it in. Start bringing it away. There we go. Snap gun. Very effective toy. I call it my toy, but it's actually a tool, I suppose. What shall I do next? So I'm going to go raking the half ball from the Southford 22-piece. Fix it. Now this is a little harder, obviously, because you're not hitting the same amount of pins as you do with a sawtooth. I'll give it a go, see what happens. There we go. Half ball raking. Oh, I hope that was on camera. I think that'll do for now. But there's the snap gun and the Southford 22-piece pick set. 2 picks I used. Comes in a fetching leather case. All the picks you get loads of tension wrenches, rakes, S-rakes, double balls, single balls, hooks, half hooks, diamonds, half diamonds. Little wide tension wrench, genuine leather, beautiful set. Okay, that's Thrifty sign out. Thank you.